Today I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your funds on AcctBazaar. You can either withdraw through crypto or direct bank transfer. So go to your wallet and click on withdraw. So for this video tutorial, let's withdraw $200. You can put your bank account. So we are withdrawing to our OP. So they will send an OTP code to your email. So let's go back to our email and get the OTP code. Mind you, you can withdraw with crypto, you can withdraw with bank transfer. You can see our OTP code 469538. So let's copy it and go back to the site and paste it. Paste it, then click on confirm withdrawal. So withdrawal have been processed. So you can see I withdraw so many times to my OP account using this AcctBazaar. So I will leave a video below how you can make money on AcctBazaar, how you can sell products so people and make money on AcctBazaar. So if you have any question, feel free to leave it on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.